Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is 13. If the amounts of a factory overhead cost incurred exceeds the amounts applied, the factory overhead account will have option A debit balance and under applied option B credit balance and under apply option C credit balance and be over applied option D debit balance and be over applied. The correct answer of the question is option A debit balance and be under applied. So that the answer of the question. If you have any question, if you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtutor.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are answer sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.